Hello and welcome. I'm Anna, and in this tutorial, I'll talk about how to create an OEE monitoring system using COPA Data's Zenon SCADA and Itanta Analytics no-code dashboarding and analytics solution. OEE monitoring using Itanta and Zenon. Manufacturers around the world want to monitor OEE for their machines or plants because it is the best metric to measure the manufacturing productivity and the manufacturing losses. Also, manufacturers can benchmark progress achieved by implementing improvements. OEE is the product of machine availability, machine performance, and quality produced by a machine. To measure availability, manufacturers should measure machine downtime and planned run hours. To measure performance, manufacturers should measure actual machine RPM and the designed machine RPM. To measure quality, manufacturers should measure total number of parts produced and the number of rejected parts. The machine automation system can give these data points. Zenon SCADA from COPA Data has the ability to acquire these data points from the machine automation systems because of availability of direct connectors to major PLC providers. The parameters required for OEEs can be configured in Zenon SCADA as tags. For calculating OEE, manufacturers can integrate Itanta's no-code analytics platform with Zenon SCADA. To configure Zenon tags into Itanta, please open Itanta's DS Manager and select COPA Data as connector type. Configure the driver in a few steps as shown. Name the data source as OEE raw data as shown. Once the configuration is done, the raw tags from Zenon will start logging into Itanta's database. To calculate availability, we need the available time, planned production time, lost time, shift length, and planned breaks from the machine. By getting these parameters, we can calculate availability using Itanta calculation engine. Open the Itanta's formula engine. You can see the data source from the drop-down menu. This is the same data source as configured in DS Manager, which will have the formulae need to be created in the Itanta's calculation engine. Date, time, and downtime are the tags from Zenon. Available time and the lost time will be the subtraction of last value from the first value of these tags. Availability is equal to available time minus lost time divided by available time. Similarly, for performance, we need ideal cycle time to make a product variant information, and total production quantity parameters from Zenon. Using a Itanta calculation engine, we can configure performance of the machine using the formula. Performance is equal to ideal cycle time into total production count divided by runtime. For quality, we need good parts produced and total production quantity from the automation system. We can configure quality as quality is equal to good parts by total production quantity. For OEE calculation, we can use the below formula. OEE is availability times performance times quality of the machine. The OEE tag generated in Itanta calculation engine is available for the Itanta visualization layer. All the other calculated tags like availability, performance, and quality are also available in the visualization layer. Once the calculations are configured, we can create the dashboard for OEE using various widgets. We can use dynamic text components to show parameters like machine name, availability, performance, and quality. We can also use graphical components like pie charts and gauges to represent KPI. Itanta's visualization layer has many styling and theming options too. Similarly, you can apply your own styling colors to make the dashboards in your theme. Finally, the created dashboard can be emailed or scheduled using Itanta's emailer or scheduler option. Hence, using Itanta's no-code platform, users can acquire data from Zenon SCADA, create OEE calculations, and create their own visualizations without any scripting. Thank you for watching the video.